Hey y'all, good morning. It is late June and in Mississippi that means it's blueberry picking season. Now yesterday after work I had the opportunity to go with my friend Crystal to go pick blueberries from a couple of blueberry bushes that they have on their family place. So we went and spent about 20 minutes picking the most beautiful blueberries you've ever seen, and it did not take any time at all, and we used an instrument that I've never used before to pick blueberries, but it made the process so simple and so easy, and we didn't lose hardly any blueberries. So watch the video and I'll show you what we used, but until then, look at this. Look at all these blueberries. Now, I don't know how much this weighs, and I don't know how many are in here, but I know that I'm going to be able to make lots of delicious sweet treats using these blueberries. And I hope that y'all are able to find some blueberries to pick too. It's blueberry picking season, and my dear friend has brought me to her couple of blueberry bushes, and we are fixing to get all the blueberries that we can. So come on, let's do it. All right, let's try this new method. We're gonna try this method. We're gonna try this method that's new to us of collecting blueberries. What you do is you get an umbrella and put it under the branch where you're gonna pick the berries, and then shake it. Are we getting any?
Yeah, now
Getting a few, yeah. There they go. And they're all collecting in the umbrella. Let me get over here and see what I can do to help. Yeah. Crystal, what do you like to make with your blueberries?
Oh, blueberry cheesecake.
Ooh.
Blueberry lasagna.
Ooh.
I eat blueberries.
Yeah, any
Just
kind of
eat 'em.
blueberry?
Yeah. Just eat them. This is easy.
Yeah. And then you can just kind of pull them off of the little limb or off of the shrub, and they just fall into the umbrella. Exactly, Blue.
They're the birds do.
Mm-hmm. Yum. How long have these bushes been here?
Woo. I've been in the family since 2004, and they were here when me and Kyle started dating. And they literally produce every year and by abundance. Just lots and lots of blueberries.
Those are good.
And I probably picked a bowl about that deep yesterday.
Oh my God.
I like to make blueberry jam.
Ooh.
Blueberry cobblers.
Ooh, look at that. Here's a big
Ooh, that big
cluster of them.
yes, I love it when we get
Yes.
those. You're not working as hard. But these come off really easy, I think. And I like this method of the umbrella.
Yeah. You don't have to be so precise in where you're dropping them.
Yeah.
Or throwing
Because
them.
I'm sure I dropped
Oh, look at that cluster.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure I dropped a good many on the ground yesterday. I was picking.
Ooh.
Is umbrella before.
We need to move it over.
Yeah, you're right. It's a lot better.
I mean, it's like they're just multiplying right before my eyes. It's like when I walked over here to them, I didn't see all that many, and then there's just more and more and more.
The more you pick off, the more you see.
Yeah. And I think we've only picked like 2 branches. The 2 partial branches.
This is my favorite thing to do.
Yeah, and these are just right in a good spot, right off the driveway. It's not like blown up.
No, they keep it.
Like when you picking blackberries.
Yes, you are going to get in everything.
You're going to get in the red bugs and...
Yes, definitely. At the clusters up top.
Oh, wow. Let me come around it. They're everywhere. I'm surprised that the deer haven't eaten these up. I'm glad they. Okay, this is how many we got. Wow, look at there. Look at all those blueberries. And that only took us, how long did that take us? Maybe 20 minutes. I'm telling you, the way that we did it with the umbrellas, that's the way to go. While the blueberries are pretty, look out there. Isn't that just picturesque and beautiful?
If I'm not mistaken, your daddy made that sign on a dog pen for Elmer.
Did he?
I'm pretty sure.
I'm sure he did. This was a dog pen. This place is Daddy Elmers. It's Crystal's husband's granddaddy's place. And he and my daddy were really good friends. Now, Mr. Elmer was, I mean, he was old enough to be my daddy's daddy. He was, yeah. But he was my daddy's best friend. And they had beagles, rabbit dogs. And this was Elmer's rabbit pen, dog pen right here. But this sign, I don't know if you can see it very well. It says E.A. Wilson's Kennels. Superintendent Honey Ashmore, Charles Noah Materials, Pete Muskelly. What does that say right there? Pete Muskelly something. I can't read what that says. Oh, I love that. But yeah, they would take the dogs hunting, and they mainly just liked to listen to the dogs run. They didn't really care if they got a rabbit or not. Let me just taste one for y'all. Sweet with a little bit of tart. They've been in the refrigerator, so they're good and cold. That one was good. Let me find another one. Look at that one. That one was even better. I know this is so rude of me to be eating all these delicious blueberries right in front of y'all, but I'm hoping that this will encourage y'all to go make friends with somebody who has some blueberry bushes. You know, say, hey, can I come harvest some blueberries off your blueberry bushes? No, just kidding, but it's gonna make me want to plant some blueberry bushes, and I think that's what I'm gonna be on the lookout for the next time I go to the plant store. So next year, I'll have my own blueberries to pick. Won't that be fun? Quintessential summer fruit right here. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all have time to get out and have some fun in your gardens too. Bye.